How to find an AirTag in my car. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can find an AirTag in my car, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you lost your own AirTag, or if you suspect that someone is spying on you and has left an AirTag on your car, how can you find them? Well, iPhones are usually designed to automatically suspect if there is a certain AirTag nearby. So what happens here is that if your phone detects, which is your iPhone especially, if it detects that there is a certain AirTag nearby, you can open the Find My app and go to devices, and it will actually show up. You have to just make sure your location and Bluetooth services are enabled. Then you should be able to see that there is a certain AirTag or a suspicious AirTag nearby. Now if you have your AirTag connected here in this case and you want to find it in your car because maybe you lost it, then you can choose to play a sound on your AirTag. So you'll find the AirTag under the devices section where you can tap on it and ask it to play a sound. It will play a sound from where else you can go ahead and then find an AirTag in your car. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.